Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the DNA Consultants Atom DNA Test Kit. Find links to the product in the description below. This comprehensive kit offers personalized insights into your ancestry, health, and wellness, making it ideal for anyone curious about their genetic makeup. It's particularly valuable for those interested in health-related genetic traits, including inherited conditions, disease risks, and even lifestyle factors impacting well-being. Using the DNA Consultants Kit is straightforward. You begin with a simple cheek swab, which you then send to their accredited lab for analysis. Once processed, your results are available through a user-friendly online portal. These detailed, easy-to-understand reports encompass a wide range of information, from your ancestral origins and genetic predispositions to certain conditions, to how your body processes nutrients, medications, and even exercise. What distinguishes DNA Consultants from other at-home DNA test kits is its in-depth focus on health and wellness. They offer specialized tests covering crucial areas like metabolic health, detoxification processes, and nutrient absorption, essential information for optimizing your diet and lifestyle. The test also provides personalized recommendations for preventing potential genetic conditions and tailoring your lifestyle based on your genetic makeup, allowing for a proactive approach to health management. DNA Consultants caters to anyone looking to delve deeper into their genetic profile, particularly those interested in both ancestry and health optimization. Whether your goal is improved fitness, preventing future health problems, or simply exploring your genetic heritage, this test provides valuable, actionable insights into your genetic information. It empowers you to take control of your health by understanding your unique genetic blueprint. DNA Consultants offers a robust and comprehensive solution for exploring your genetic makeup. For more information and to embark on your journey to better health, check out the link in the description below.